Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott, and I thank you guys for being here with me today. I thank each and every one of you for taking time out of your day just to be here watching another video that I put together for you. I hope that this video will, open your eyes to opportunities in the market. Like I said, I thank all of you for being here, even those of you who just found me on YouTube. I just want to thank you guys. Thank you dearly. So let's get right into this now. Last week I had put out a few trade alerts in the market, and I know that I've gotten a number of emails about the trade alerts. In fact, as usual, I normally get people who take the trade alerts and they actually join using the proceeds from it. Of course, I just want to let you guys know, I believe I have, I think maybe about, let's say, two people actually took their, they utilized the profit from those trades and actually joined just recently over the weekend. And I thank you guys for each and every one of you for just taking interest in the trade alerts that I put out there. If those of you who've been watching me, you know that my trade alerts are on point. So I definitely appreciate you guys who have taken interest in my videos, who have taken a liking in the trade alerts that I put out and actually trade them. And just those of you who just be thankful for, who email me and let me know, hey, thanks Scott, or thanks Yusef for putting out the trade alert I made, such and such pips or X amount of dollars. I definitely appreciate you guys for just tuning in. It's nothing. I really do appreciate you guys. So let me get into actually the trade alerts that I put out. All right, we're going to start with let's go over to the charts now. We're going to start with the Euro NZD. And as you see, just like it was last week, it's danced around the Euro NZD. It's just pretty much consolidated, but the market then went up, came back down, and it's pretty much consolidated. Now, those of you who might have traded on this, you would have gotten in and rode it down to this level where it is now. So at this point, you guys could just wait to see where the market goes from here. All right, let's move on over to the Euro USD. You guys remember on this pair, we were talking about how the market had come from as high as 142, 141, and 136, and which was last year. And you see the market has fallen, and now it's ranging. And I've spoken on waiting for the market to cross these wicks before my biases have changed. Okay, but nonetheless, the market had actually fallen, and if you notice, it had fallen. So those of you who got in on that, kudos to you. That's a great job trading. And we just wait to see where the market goes from here. So we'll be keeping an eye on this pair as well. Now next, I went over all of the GBP pairs, not so much the GBP USD, with the USD influence. That one sort of moves on its own little mindset sometimes. But the other GBP pairs, the GBP AUD, GBP CAD, GBP JPY, and the GBP NZD, those are all looking pretty much the same as you see. And we were looking for the market to go up, and as it did, it actually went up. So those of you who took profit, you see the market is starting to sort of retrace, but pretty much consolidated on the AUD pair. And then the CAD, it's still showing, it still had gone up, and it's sort of, cooling off, but it's still consolidated for the most part. JPY, it was still going up as we saw it, and it's reaching a level where it wants to go sideways. And then finally the GBP NZD, while it did go up, it kind of just sort of just went sideways. So we're waiting to see what happened with these pairs. And as I told you guys last week, usually with these pairs, what happen, especially after the market resets, they'll start to move, identically. All right, and then you can pretty much trade them all in one direction, but just be careful. That's overall movement. Not every day will they all be moving bearish or bullish. You might get lucky some days, but just be careful. I would say trade at a reasonable volume where you're not over leveraging your account, and just watch these pairs. All right. Now Finally, I had second to the last one was crude oil. All right, I told you guys in another video, I believe I told you guys to I gave you a little hint. I said, yeah, and look at oil, and if you notice, oil had actually fallen and it's still showing signs that it could possibly go lower. So if you've gotten in on this one, that was a very, very good job, you know, because the market had actually gone up to like $50 a barrel. If you see, let's see, just about 50, 49 and some change, but nonetheless, it's down, and you know, that's a great day for everyone who traded on that. And then finally, the USD CAD, which I am actually still in on this one. I didn't happen to trade all of those pairs, but I did get in on this particular pair here, which I'm still in on. And as you see, the market actually gone up quite well, and it's still going up. It actually gapped up, you know, it gapped up, talking 15-20 pips, and it's still going up, still showing signs that it's a bullish market. So this is definitely something to look out for. And something else that I would say to look out for is the Euro JPY. The Euro JPY actually is showing signs of bullish movement. So just watch it. It's still sort of consolidated, although it did travel up. You know, you could possibly expect a nice move up or possibly down, but just watch this. Of course, most people would think that it will go up first, but just keep this pair on you know, under the radar, at least for the next day or two, just to see what actually happens. Because yesterday, technically an hour ago, just about, the market closed and it actually pulled back. So we could just pay attention to this to see what happens. All right. So this is pretty much all I wanted to show you guys for today. Hopefully you guys have taken a little bit of notes, and you'll keep these pairs on your, you know, under your radar, so that you can make profit on these. All right. And just I definitely appreciate all you guys tuning into this video. You know, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, yscott@sodarneasyforex.com or sodarneasyforex@gmail.com, or you can also text me or call me 929-274-0555. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have. And for those of you who are new to our So Darn Easy Forex movement, kudos to you. I know that most of you are very excited. I've gotten messages from our people on Instagram and Facebook, and you know, of course, YouTube. Always very, very loyal. Those of you who have newly signed up today or even over the weekend, kudos to you guys. Definitely want to welcome you to our So Darn Easy Forex movement. Definitely take this thing to the next level, and let's look forward to the long-term trading membership that's coming up very soon. Also, our drawing for the 5 lucky participants in the well, let's say our 5 lucky, or our 5 newest members of the So Darn Easy Forex movement. One of the 5 of the 25 people who joined during that drawing. Those of you who participated in that, I have 5 lucky people, and I'll be actually notifying you guys very shortly. We're going to do that live, and I will talk to you guys soon. All right, have a great day, everybody. Peace.